Hey, hi everybody. Let's begin today's session. Today we'll see some of the standing poses and we'll try to do some of the breathing techniques towards the end of the session. So let's start with a small prayer. योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचा मलं शरीरस्य च वैदकेन योपाकरोतं प्रवरं मुनीनां पताञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिं रां तोस्मि. So let's start. Let me just try to move this back a little. Okay. So let's sit on the mat with your legs crossed. You can sit in Sukhasana or Padmasana. So when I say Padmasana, it is like you can put either your left leg or the right leg on the another thigh and then left leg on top of that other leg. Okay, so make sure you're straight, stand and tall. Your lower back and the upper back are straight, spinal cord straight. And as we breathe in and breathe out, we'll move like a pendulum from left to right and right to left. Make sure you're not bending your back, either the upper back or the lower back, and also you're not raising your knees above the floor. We'll try to go little deeper into this and also with the hands. Breathe in, and as you breathe out, come to the center and you breathe in, go back, down, down. See if you can touch your hand onto the mat if possible. And breathe in, go on the other side. Shoulders slightly back, shoulders should not be coming in front of your face, but it should be slightly back so that it has enough stretch on this side of your body. Breathe in and to the center. We'll do yogic breath. You can come out of Sukhasana or Padmasana if you are sitting. We'll start with the yogic breath. In yogic breath, we start filling the air into your lower lobe, then the middle lobe, and then to the upper lobe. So I will demonstrate once and then we'll do it together. One second. So for this session is recorded, so just wanted to make sure that we are not capturing any other noises around. So let me show you the yogic breath. So breathe in, fill your lower lobe, then your middle lobe, and then your upper lobe. A little more and relax. We'll do two more time. Okay, so second time. Fill. Slightly twist your body to the left or the right, and then again fill your air. Fill the air. A little more and relax. One last time. Little more. And let go. And relax. Stand up wherever you are and start walking. Start walking slowly. Legs little up, higher, little higher. Little higher, so that you can touch your palms. Little higher, little higher, and then we'll go a little faster. Faster, faster, fast, 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 and relax. Slowly, don't stop immediately. Do come back to the normal very slowly. Focus on your breath. Keep your body still. So incoming breath energizes you and outgoing breath relaxes. So if you are becoming a little tired, so what we will do, we'll breathe in through the mouth, through the nose, and breathe out through the mouth. So as you breathe in, put your hands back, and as you breathe out, so breathing out, you have to come little faster. Okay, breathe in, and as you breathe out, one last time, breathe in, and relax. So we'll start with Ardha Chakras. So in this, I'll stand facing the camera. So as you breathe in, take your hands up. The right hand will start with the right hand. Breathe in. And as you breathe out, turn your body to the left side and try to see the palm of the right hand. Make sure you're not twisting your pelvis region or the hip region. Breathe in, come to the center, and as you breathe out, go back. With the other hand, breathe in, and as you breathe out, see the palm of the left hand. Try to give a little stretch to your left hand as you breathe in, and as you breathe out, relax. Breathe in, come to the center, and as you breathe out, back. Okay, now we'll do the Ardha Katyasana. So stand with your feet hip distance apart. Breathe in, come to the center, and as you breathe out, we'll turn to the right side. Look over from your shoulder. Keep breathing in this position. Both your feet firmly on the floor, onto your mat. Make sure your knees are not bending. As you breathe in, come to the center. And as you breathe out, go to the other side. Look back from your left shoulder. Make sure your feet are firmly on the floor and knees are not bending. Breathe in, come to the center, and relax. The next we'll do is Trikonasana. Stand on your mat with feet around 3 or 3.5 feet apart, depending upon your height, which is comfortable. Toes pointing to the front. Breathe in and hands parallel to the floor. And as we breathe out, with our right hand, we'll try to touch the left toe and the other hand goes up. Breathe in, and as you breathe out, make sure your body is your chest is parallel to the floor, it's not tilting much, and you're just trying to tilt your face and try to see the palm of the other hand. Breathe in, come to the center, and as you breathe out on the other side. Make sure you're not bending your knees or your body. Your chest should be more or less parallel to the floor. Breathe in, come to the center, and as you breathe out, relax. We'll do next is Hastpadasana. Stand with your feet almost a hip width apart. As you breathe in, make your hands, we'll move our hands to the top. Breathe in. Give a nice stretch to your hands to the both sides of the body. And as you breathe out, start bending from your lower back. Make sure you are not bending from your upper back. Bend down. Wherever you reach, comfortable, that's fine. You're not bending your knees. In the final position, drop your head and relax. And continue breathing in and out. Be in this position for a couple of breaths, 3 to 5 breaths. And as you breathe in, come back very slowly. And relax. Okay. So next we will do Utkatasana. So this is one of my favorite asana. So what we will do, we'll try to sit in the chair, okay, and it is an imaginary chair. Okay, so breathe in, and as you breathe out, start sitting on your chair. Make sure your knees are not crossing your toes. Try to sit, make your back more straighter. Enjoy sitting here for some time. Smile on your face. Go down, 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 and come back. One more time. Go down and come back. And relax. Next, we will do butterfly. Touch your sole of both the feet together. Push as close to the body as possible, your sole as close to the body. And now start flapping both the knees and see if you can touch the mat. Body straight. You're not hunchback from your upper back or the lower back. Spinal cord is more straighter. Focus on your breath and have a smile on your face. Continue breathing in and out. Breathe in and relax. Focus on your breath for some time. It is very important we relax in between the asanas. Incoming breath energizes us and outgoing breath relaxes you. We'll do 2 to 3 breaths. So now mosquitoes have started coming. So what we will do, I'll quickly demonstrate you the Nadi Shodhan Pranayama. So what we're going to do in this pranayama is an alternate nostril breathing. So the hands of the left palm is onto the knees. The right hand, bring it up and put something like this, which is like 2 fingers, the middle finger and the index finger are joined together. The ring finger and the little finger are joined together, and the thumbs and thumbs in this position. Now close your right nostril with the thumb and left nostril with these 2 fingers, and the middle finger are between your eyebrows. Okay. So make sure the thumb and your both the nostrils are not closed. It is like kind of just on top of your nose. Okay. So they are not closing your nostrils. Now breathe in from both the nostrils. Now close the right nostril and breathe out from the left nostril. Breathe in from the left and breathe out from the right. One thing we need to make sure is we are not making any noise or any sound while breathing in and breathing out. Okay? Now breathe in from your right nostril and breathe out from the left nostril. So this is one round. Okay. Now we will do 9 rounds of this. Okay, and then we'll try to close this session. Focus on the breath. Make sure mind, body and breath are all aligned and your awareness is into your mind, body and breath. Breathe in very slowly. And as you breathe out from the right nostril, relax your hands, sit with your eyes closed. Namaste. Thank you for joining the sessions. Bye-bye.